All right, y'all, it's day 5 working on this camper. It's a Monday. Did that last night. Not quite finished, but you'll have to watch that video. It'll be a separate video. Monday, about 12:30, 1 o'clock. It's currently right now 90 degrees. It's supposed to get up to 93. Let y'all know what I'm doing here. I'm going to weld another piece of spare tubing right beside this one and weld them together for extra support. One on each side. Then one about 2 foot and another one about 2 foot. Same thing with the roof. Weld one to this one, 2 foot over, 2 foot over, one to that one. I'm going to put a brace in the middle here. Brace throughout the middle here on both sides. Ran into a man at Harbor Freight Friday. I believe it was Friday, Saturday. And seen the camper door he had and really liked it. I'm trying to find one on Amazon or one of them camper sites or something. It was a little old 2 foot wide door. It was 6 foot tall. It was perfect for what I'm wanting to do here. I've got an air conditioner. I'm going to put the air conditioner under the seat on this driver's side here. But anyway, so yeah, I got a lot to do. So enough with the chit chat. Appreciate everybody that's watching my videos. Appreciate the ones that come up to me in person and say, "Hey, I've been watching your videos. How far along are you?" And that gives me inspiration to keep pushing, along with a deadline that in 7 days I have to be in Indiana. So the way my brain works, I have to have deadlines or I just get bored and don't want to do things. Anyway, enough of the chit chat. I got to get busy, y'all. All right, now I got to do that one more time over here. Put 2 there. Oh yeah, and build a roof vent frame. I'll be right back when I got more progress. All right, y'all, I got a couple of updates. One, no more mic. I went to hook everything back up to start videoing again and dropped my receiver down in a bucket of old black used motor oil. So we just had to deal with the noise of the fan. I had to talk loud like I used to. And I maybe even do a voiceover, I don't know. This is what I got done so far. Got one of these on each side put in, welded in for support to make it so where it won't whatever. Put the roof vent, got that welded in. Put the braces in at the top. Okay. Braces there for the floor, braces at the top, or whatever you call it, rafter, ceiling rafter, I don't know. Got the roof vent framed in. Now I just have to put a piece down here to here, one over there, and two in the front, right underneath there to there to there to there. It'd actually be four because it'd be two separate pieces at the top, two separate pieces at the bottom, but you get the drift. That's what it looks like so far. 3 windows and a roof vent framed in so far. All right, y'all, as you can see behind me, the sun's done went down. We got a real pretty sunset today. Thank God, wonderful. Look at there. But anyway, that's what I got today. Let me flip. Ooh, I need something to drink. That's what I done today. Let me flip this camera around and show y'all. Alrighty here. So I already had the windows framed. I got my spot for my air conditioner framed out. The top piece will go in after the air conditioner goes in. It'll screw in. That way it's adjustable up and down. Roof vent is framed out. Got my braces here. I don't like this. I would have put my roof vent in line with this, but I was thinking that the metal was going to seam together here on these uprights, but it's going to seam together on these uprights. So anyway, it just is what it is. I'm out of steel again. I went to the machine shop and got another 40, 50, 6 foot today, and every foot of it, other than little cutoffs like that, are in this contraption here. But the only thing I see, I did different on my camper than I'm doing here, is I had from down here at the bottom up, I had a cable pulling up on the nose on both sides. And also I had 1x2 down here, and I wish I'd have done that. Wish I'd have put 1x2 on the bottom. But anyway, I got it doubled here, so hopefully that'll be enough. And oh yeah, and it's doubled up here, welded on top and bottom, which that makes me have to do more grinding. But anyway, got the front, got a brace in the middle, so it don't want to sag whenever we get in and out of the bed. Like I said, the air conditioner's framed out. The air conditioner's going to be on the floor. Yep. This is what I got done. Another thing, building it the way I did, I'm going to have to weld a few junk pieces around so I can be able to glue my walls to. My seats can sit on and screw them down. Different things like that. That's kind of bad thing about building it this way. Not building it like a house, you know, double, because like in theory you'd want another piece right here, doubled here, and doubled here. That way the seat can sit on, right? So, but anyway, I don't want all that extra steel in it. I don't want all that extra weight. So I'm just gonna have to do what I can do. All right, my plan for tomorrow is to finish welding them little coil pieces around. Then I'm gonna get me some acetone or lacquer thinner or whatever you call it, and wipe it down real good, get all the oil and junk off of it. Hit it with a coat of paint right quick, and then after that I'm gonna start putting the insides in. Being it's so small and all, I figure it'd be easier to do the inside first, then do the insulation on the outside. Then I can put my skin on. Plus, I have all my stuff already to do the inside, and the skin is not going to be ready until probably Thursday, they said. So that's going to be wonderful. I hope it's Thursday morning at 6 a.m. so I can get it throwed on and get this thing loaded. You know, because I can't put my windows in till I get my skin on. I can't put my roof vent in till I get my skin on. I can't load it till I get my skin on. So that's the main hold up as far as knowing if I'm gonna make it on time. It's the skin. Because this, you might well say, I'm finished welding on it right now. Well, above the window there, remember? That's wrong. So I got to redo that. I guess I'll go cut the leg off my deer stand or something, because machine shop's out of metal again. But anyway, I appreciate y'all watching. I'll catch you on the flip side. God bless.